from node package manager, we are going to get this uh, I mean routing library that is known as React router. So where it is located means it will be located in package.json. So in package.json, we have to get this React router DOM and React router DOM with the updated version, and we have to fetch this. We have to install it in our node modules. So we have to consume this one for doing the routing from one page to the other page. We have to use this for doing the from one page to the other page. We have to use this React router DOM. So I am going to at very first point of time, what I want to do, I want to create an public index.html. In this public index.html, I want to create ID as root, right? And and here in I have to create app.js, right? In the index.js, I have to get the component. This up to here, you are aware, React and render. Okay, React and render. See, and here I am going to import browser router and route and switch from React router DOM. These three are important. So route is used to route, and router is like a parent, and route is like a child of home or about us or something. Switch will switch to the particular particular route. Okay, switch will switch to the particular route. Router is the main one, from where this router we have to import from the React router DOM. So our router name is browser router. Browser router is the one which we are where we are getting this router. Okay, so I am going to create some components here. I am going to create some components like a home, and for example, I am going to create here one home component. So in this home component, I am returning like a container class name equal to container. So this one is like the yeah, container. This is my style for that container. Max with 1000 pixel and margin 0 auto. Okay. So now I want to so likewise, like home, whatever I have created, likewise I have created here header. So this header I will tell, first I will go for small components. First I created a home, and I created a footer, which is like a just it will return a footer header as h4. And I am going to use this catalog. That's okay. And one more route is about. So and also one more thing is this catalog. So in this catalog, I am going to display the all catalog elements, whatever the catalog elements are available. So those catalog elements I am going to display. This is the link for this. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. So yeah. Hello. So yeah, I could, so here I am having the some products. I am going to display the products actually in a map. I am going to display them one after the other, one after the these products. In a I mean in a catalog view. One is like this is the product. These are the products. I am going to display the products like product ID, label, ID, label. Likewise, I am going to display my all products in the link to the slash catalog. Means I am going to link to the slash catalog router. So this slash catalog route whatever it is there here, that will be linked to the here it is navigation link. See here in this header, this is my header, which is having the all, I mean all this slash, about, and nested and catalog. All these routes will be available here in this navigation link. So here I have first slash means what? Slash means home. About means about page. Two means two slash nested means nested page, and two slash catalog means catalog page. So what is this two slash catalog and two nested and two about and two slash means? They are just a view of the browser alone. If you see the google.com, or if you see some google.com slash images, google.com slash some products, likewise you will see, right? Likewise, they are just a navigation links only, but we are not going to assign any components for those routes. These are just a navigation links what we are going to create in the header. Okay, here the exact, and exact means the uh, current one, and here I am giving like home. See, this is my text alone, this is my text alone. But coming for these links, whatever it is there here, right, they will be associated with the, they suppose they will be associated with the routes. For example, this for example, here I am having a let us think I have this two slash, okay, in the header. I have created one navbar, and in that navbar I have created one UL. Okay, this UL means unordered list, whatever it is there, that UL I am going to this UL, this unordered list, whatever it is there, that one I am going to use for displaying the slash about slash catalog slash nested and slash catalog in the for what, for this home, above, nested and catalog. Okay, so once I have created the home and footer, I created the catalog to display the to, I mean these products, whatever the JSON, the one JSON I created. With that JSON, I am going to get, I mean route this link, I mean with the link for the I mean for those routes. Suppose if it is product slash ID, it will go and display this Nutrella. If it is ID2, it will go and display this pen. If it is 3, it will go and display this latte. So likewise here also the products means slash catalog. If I am clicking, it will display like this, it will display the ID and and the label. Okay, ID and label of those products. One I will yeah. And one more thing is like so this is the one which will be routing actually. Up to now you saw only the components individually, but we don't know from where it is routing, right? We are going to route from the route path slash and route path slash about and route path. There are two components are mandatory for route. One is like path and other one is like component. So path is slash, component is home, and this means for the path of slash, component will be home. So it will go and check where this component is home is located. So it will go to this component and it will enter this home. Okay, it will return that particular home. Likewise, it will go for the path slash about. So it will go and check where this link is located. So it will go and check in this application where my link is located. So that nav link is available here in the header.js, and this is just a link alone. For this link, the associated component will be about. So this about, whatever I have created here, that one will be this one will be from the slash about. Slash about means slash about dot js. This one. Okay, I have to import it. Else it won't come to know that particular component. Okay, and here it's like a nested view. This is a nested view, means we are going to view uh, in a one view within one more view. Means we are going to display one within a one master view. I have different child views. How to display them? So for example, in this nested view, this is the third component, right? Third or fourth, right? So in here, I am going to display like one more route, which is having the link and also match URL info, match URL about, match URL contacts. Likewise, I have created. So here, the thing is, once I select the particular section or particular information, so these are the subroutes I am going to mention. So whatever the matched URL, what is my match URL is like slash nested will be my slash nested is my path. So for that path, I am going to use like info and about and also contacts and section name. So this once I click on this info, this particular information will come. Means I will show you one second. Yeah, now I think you can able to see. Yeah. So here, so in this local host, at very first point of time, if I click on this home, if I at very first point of time, if I click on this home, which is like an slash, okay, which is a slash, it means it's a home page. Okay, if I go for about, which is like a slash about. Slash about is the one which will take the about component, and slash catalog. Slash catalog is the one, as I told you, which is a list of Neutrella. Here is it. Yeah, which is an which will display this Neutrella and also pain and latte.
So without clicking on that buttons, if we make changes in URL, it
Without
will
clicking on the button,
that buttons if we'll make changes in the URL like
we make,
slash,
yeah, we can change it.
will it be print?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the router. The router will take care about that.
Okay.
So if I go for catalog, if I click on this Nutella, I will see that product ID, and back to the catalog. It will take you to the catalog. That logic is here. See, if I click the at very first point of time, if I load, I will be getting this Nutella, pale, pain, and latte. So all these products are, once they are displayed, if I click on this link of that particular product, so that particular product will be displayed. For example, if I click on this Nutella, the product ID and also one colon one slash, that Nutrella, and the last one is back to the catalog. If I click on this link, what should happen? It should go back to the catalog view. So it came back to the catalog view. If I click on this Nutrella, the view is different. That is like product one. Okay, so this is a nested view. Means within one view, you are going to have a different different routes. Okay, within the same view, but this they are not part of any, they are not part of any routing mechanism. They are part of a within a component, like a nested links. They are like a nested links. Okay, so up to this is about catalog. So we saw about home, we saw about this about page, and we saw about this catalog. Now we are going for this nested. So in this nested, I am going to have this info, about, and contact. So in this nested, I am going to have here info, nested, and info, about, and contacts. If I am going for this about, so it will go for the it's slash info. Up to now, what you saw is only one level of routing you saw. Means either you saw like home or about or catalog or products. But here we are going to see a sub nested. Means we are going to see one more route of of the particular page. So here I am going to have here info. Means I am that particular route will take me to the info, and about means it will take me to the about, and contact means it will take me to the contacts. So this one view having different nested views. If I click on info, it is a separate view. If it is about, it is separate view, and contact, it is a separate view. So here it will be handled like first it is link match URL slash info. Here I give like info slash. Okay. First this is about only the first one, like uh, please select a section. And coming for this view, I am going to give here info, and about, and contact. And the sub view, whatever the sub view is there, right? This sub view is the one which will be displaying the particular section name. So it will take this match dot params, this match dot params, and section name. What is my section name? Means info, about, and contacts. So all will be the part of this route, and they will be displayed accordingly. Once I navigate to info, it will take me to the particular view. Info section, about section, and contact section. Likewise, it will be changing accordingly. This is a nested view. Okay, so yeah, if I want to go back to my home, let me think I am inside this some contact, or I am inside this some catalog, some Nutrella. So I want to go to the my home page. I should not click on any of this, but I should go instead of this, I can able to click on this, see this logo text, so that I can able to go to my home page. So this that logic also there here only. Yeah, 1 second. Mm. 1 second. Yes, now I saw this one. Yeah. So this if I click on this logo, it will bring me to the home page. If you are clicking, if you are giving here some contacts, or if you are giving here some about, it will bring you to about page. It depends upon whatever the link you are navigating to. Okay, likewise this React router will work. this header and container, they are the CSS files that what I created. So you can find all the CSS files here. Okay, this is small content only. You can able to understand while you go through this CSS anyhow. Do you have any doubt on this?